glad you're back with me. I'm Mark, and I will be drawing a cute starfish now. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, pen, some markers, and let's have some fun. All right, so let's get the basic star shape in place. So I'm gonna do a line up in this direction. I'm gonna do one out here. I'm gonna do one over here, then one down in this way, and one over there. So if you just outline like a basic kind of star shape, doesn't have to be perfect, then we can go from here. So what I'll do is we'll go all the way from these shapes here. So I'm just gonna kind of loosely sketch in, and I'm gonna kind of come down and start joining my star forms together. And then I'm just gonna get wider. I'm gonna come down. And then, my ends are gonna kind of bend a little bit as well, like the points are gonna kind of not be perfect stars. So this is gonna kind of come this way. And have this come down and again, bend a little bit. Then down over here. So come down like that and connect. And as you go up over here, we'll just kind of point that, and this will get fatter and wider down here. Then we'll come back and complete this over here. So just like that. So we want to just try to make sure that all of our shapes are roughly all similar in thickness and not getting really thin and really, a lot thicker. But then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of thickness to some of these. So I'm going to add thickness to this one, like that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of thickness here to this one. And maybe thin out on this side a little bit. And then we'll have some thickness down here, like that. And then we'll do a little bit of a thickness to the top side, like this. All right, now we'll have some fun with a smiley face. Maybe we'll do a little bit of thickness over here actually. And then thin this out a little bit like that. All right, so in the middle of my starfish, I'm gonna draw these two circular egg shapes for the eyes, like that. And as you get to the bottom here, we're just gonna kind of clip those out a little bit. So we'll just come down and then they'll stop like that. And that way we can put the eye down here. And then we'll have the eyeball. And we'll put some like highlights. And we'll do the same on this side. We'll put the eye here, do another eyeball down below, and then a highlight over there. And we could create these like eyebrows right here and right here. And then we'll do a smiley face. So I'm gonna go from this left side. I'm gonna come down and then back up. And it's almost like the edge of the eye. This will be almost like outside of the edge of the eye, and then this one will come up to the other edge of the eye, something like that. And then where we have these little cuts and breaks in the eye, we'll just come off of those. So this is here, and then we'll just come off of that. And then at the bottom, we'll just do a nice little mouth opening there. And then we'll have a tongue that you can see inside there, and then a little chin. Now we'll add some little circular shapes like this, and you get smaller as we go down. So we'll do one here, and we'll do some smaller ones, and we'll just keep doing that all the way around. like that, and then just a few more over here, like that. Okay, the next step for me is to go ahead and outline this. So I'm gonna use a thicker Sharpie for the outside edges that are gonna be a little bit thicker for me. Then I'll go back to my thinner ink pen for the detail work. Now use an eraser and erase all those unwanted pencil lines so we can have a nice clean marker drawing. Now if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description, click the link, download that coloring page, print it out, and then you can have a lot of fun coloring this in like what I'm gonna do right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing this starfish with me. If you did, like the video, and why not subscribe to my channel, because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. All right, until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.